So you're sitting there scrolling through endless real estate listings, hoping to stumble upon the perfect deal until you realize it's like trying to find a needle in the haystack in the dark. Not fun, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to find motivated sellers and make $25,000 fast without all the headaches? Stick around because I'm about to show you a game-changing method that's not only fast but actually makes sense. Welcome back to my Empire Pro. My name is Ola. Today we're diving into a method that could be the key to your next big win in real estate. But first, let me take you back to where it all started for me. So back in 2005, I was just a bright-eyed consultant, fresh into the game. My secret weapon, a list called list pending. It sounds fancy, right? A French word phrase? Wrong. Turns out I made a tiny mistake in a previous video and I said it was French when it's actually Latin. Oops. One of you guys hit me up in the comments like, hey man, it's not French. It's just a notice that litigation is about to happen. And you know what? You're totally right. So thank you for that. Now, let's address another question from the comments. Someone asked, do you actually wholesale real estate or do you just talk about it? Let's clear that up. I don't just talk. I walk the walk. I've been walking the walk for a long time too. Over the years, my consulting career has taken me through different paths: digital marketing, healthcare, IT, relationships, you name it. But when a juicy real estate deals pops up, oh yeah, I'm still all in. In fact, if you use this method to find me good deals, I'll pay you $10,000 for the deal. And today, I'm giving you the lowdown on how you can find good deals too. Now, if you're thinking, but finding the right real estate deal is hard, well, let me tell you something. Finding motivated sellers, that's the trick. And the best part, I've got a tool that makes it so simple, you might just wonder why you didn't start sooner. It's like having a treasure map, but instead of X marking the spot, it's more like a big flashing neon sign saying, motivated sellers here. Let's get into it. There's a web-based software out there that is in a word, magical. It's packed with data, features, and tools specifically designed for real estate investors like us. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. It's like your own personal assistant, except it doesn't talk back and it works 24/7. Here's how it works. You start by identifying your investment criteria. What type of property are you looking for? What's your sweet spot? Single family homes, multi-family, vacant land, you name it. This software's got you covered. Once you set your preferences, boom, you've got a list of potential properties to target. No, it doesn't stop there. You're not just limited to looking up random properties. You can search by ownership information, tax history, mortgage details, lien info, and even foreclosures. List pendants. Basically, you're getting the kind of intel that would make your wannabe investors' friends jealous. But the real magic, the software helps you find those golden motivated sellers. These are people who, for one reason or another, are practically waving the I need to sell now flag. Maybe they're in pre-foreclosure or what I called a list pendants list. Maybe they're dealing with bankruptcy, or maybe they just need to sell fast due to a divorce. Either way, this tool narrows down exactly who's ready to make a deal. And here's where things get fun. You can use built-in marketing features to reach out to these sellers like a boss that you are. Ever wanted to send a postcard directly to a seller or hit them with a ringless voicemail? Yep, this software does that too. You can even automate email campaigns to save time. Speaking of digital marketing, it's like hiring a whole marketing team without the hefty salary costs. All right, so quick pause. Before we dive deeper, take a second, please, to hit that like button, share this video with a fellow real estate hustler, and of course, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more game-changing tips in real estate, digital marketing, and of course, making money. Trust me, you won't regret it. Got it? All right, let's keep going. So you've got this treasure trove of data at your fingertips. What's next? Time to look at comparable home sales. We call them the comps. You can easily pull data from MLS sales and county records to see what similar properties have sold for recently. This is crucial when making offers because you don't want to overpay or lowball too much. The software lets you fine-tune those results based on the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, pretty much anything you can think of. And guess what? You don't even need a real estate license to access active, pending, expired, or failed listings. That's right, you'll have access to more info than most agents, which means you'll be ahead of the game. Speaking of being ahead, imagine you found a property that needs a little tender loving care, TLC. You want to estimate the rehab cost before making your move, right? The software got you there too. It has a built-in rehab estimator, so you'll know exactly what you're getting into before you commit. No more guessing or relying on the contractor's rough estimates. And just when you think it couldn't get any better, it does. The software's predictive analytics, powered by AI, helps you estimate property values with near perfect accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball for property investments. How cool is that? Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how much is it going to cost me? Well, here's the best part. You can try it for free. Yep, no catch. You can sign up for a 7-day trial, and if you love it, which I'm sure you will, you can decide if it's worth keeping. Spoiler alert, it's totally worth it. I've been using it personally for years. So if you're ready to start finding those motivated sellers, generate targeted lists, and build your real estate empire, go to www.myempirepro.com/bigdata or check out the link in the description below to test it out. Totally free today. Here's the bottom line. Working smarter, not harder, is the name of the game. And this tool is like having a cheat code for real estate investing. It helps you find the deals that will actually make you money, not just waste your time. Now, before I wrap this up, let me ask you this. What's the hardest part of finding motivated sellers for you? Drop your answer in the comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you out. And of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on all my future videos. Let's build this empire together. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.